like the pictures that you've seen. They received this information, they were able to follow up and get these types of weapons out, because the potential for these weapons being sold to various types of individuals, that could pose a hazard to the public.